Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can insert a record in Firestore like I did here, that I pass here ID student ID 2, then I just change the name to Vipin Kumar like this and I press course and I say insert. So I am able to insert with different ID, or if I go there and you see we have the two record here. First is this and second is Devatiya. First is for Vipin Kumar. So with this we are able to insert a record in Firestore. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can read or the get value from the Firestore. So we go to Fire Assistant here. Now we go to read coding. Here we have this, so we want to read it. So here I just copy this and I go to the display. Here this display we have display, and here I just paste. So in place of this user I say students, because I have student here. You remember that student we have here, same collection we use. Then we get all the record, then we have all record here. Then we want to read information one by one. So for that I create a variable, I say data of string type like this, and I can say string buffer. Then what I do, I need to insert data in append data in this, and for that what I do, one by one I am inserting this here. So here I say roll number equal to plus, and I say document dot get, and here I pass field. The field is which I pass above, that is roll number. Student spelling mistake is there, so we did mistake, so same to same I have to check it. So what I do, I say roll number 1, then I say /n, then I copy this 3 to 4 times, then I once again I copy, and I just use this symbol to differentiate records. Then in place of roll number I need same to same this is spelling, because I did the mistake in the student name. So same I have to do this. Then I have to do this course here, remember. So here I can say student name, and here I say course like this. Now no need of this, I can remove it, and I can display document ID also if you want to display. If you want, so you can display document ID also. So I can say record ID, and here I can say ID like this. And after this here I can display this record. First of all I just remove this, and in place of this I paste this toast, and this toast I just copy and paste toast in place of error if we have error. So we can say exception to display this, and here I need to display data. For that I have a field this field I have check field and result. The result is a text field here, and that will display data. So what I do, I say check equal to true, and I say result equal to data dot to string, like this. So we have result val. So I need to change it to, it is already where, so why it is showing like this? Okay, problem is coming from this field is matching with this, so I need to declare with some other variable. So I say where, and I need to do report on this because it's a mismatch of this and this, so I need report. Then I assign this here, done. So I think we done it. Try to execute once again. Okay, we have here report because we have changed the name of this variable. Once again restart it. Now try to click on display, and we know we have a record, document ID also, the information also. If I insert one more record, like I say 3, and I say Sachin Kumar, I say m.tech, and I say insert, so record inserted, I say display, so we have the third record also. You know that we have this. So like this way we can read the information from Firestore also. So we completed 2 operations, read operation and insert operation. In next video we are going to perform the other operation, that is the update operation, and then we will going to perform delete operation also. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.